Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the monster flower plant in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just bought the monster flower seed from the special Halloween merchant. Okay, you can get the monster flower here and it's very limited guys. It will leave after 24 hours, so I recommend you to go to the Grow a Garden now and get this monster flower seed. And this is how the flower looks like, but this flower has been already mutated to correct, and I'm going to show it on my garden how this plant looks like. So this is the monster flower plant. Wait, this one guys, this one monster flower, and you can only harvest one flower from one plant. Okay, and then I'm going to check the value, but this is not the base value because it's already mutated. And let's see, and yeah, it's good. This is the monster flower with the correct mutation, and of course it will have higher value after the mutation, after it got the other mutations. And yeah guys, it's really unique and you can get it now before it's gone. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.